to Zoe's Zone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make jelly cube slime. If you're new to my channel, I'm Zoe, and if you enjoy this video, please click the big red subscribe button, turn on notifications, and click the big thumbs up to get a shout out in the next video. Let's get started. Jelly cube slime is basically a basic clear slime with a bunch of cut up sponge cubes in it. This is a magical sponge eraser, I think, but they're just supposed to erase like dirty things on the wall. But today we are going to be cutting them up into little cubes to put in our slime. The ingredients that you'll be needing to make jelly cube slime are some PVA glue. Here I've got teal glow-in-the-dark glue and pink color glue, and I picked these colors because the glow-in-the-dark glue kind of matches my shirt, and the pink I just thought would match the blue and be very bright and fun. Then obviously you'll be needing sponges, a mixing bowl, some spoons, I always do this, and then some activator. Here I have borax solution, but you can also use, contact lens solution and baking soda. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is putting your glue into the bowl. Here is my pink color glue. Ready? I love the sound. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright, so here is my pink glue. Alright, so now I have to add my activator a little bit at a time, but with jelly cube slime, you want to make your slime slightly sticky because when you put your sponge cubes into the slime, it will absorb the goo. So you want it to be slightly underactivated. It's clumping. I don't know if you can see, but it's definitely getting thick. My arm's already tired. Now I have to use a different spoon because the one I'm using has slime on it. Okay, mix and mix and mix. And because I have two colors of glue, I'm going to be mixing them and layer them to make I don't know, a layered slime, layered jelly cube slime. Okay, so I think I just need one more spoonful of activator, and then I can start using my hands. Okay, take the spoon out. Whoa. And if you guys didn't know, the slime does look white because of all the air bubbles because I've been mixing it so long. So to get the air bubbles out, you'll be having to wait a few nights for your slime to be completely clear, but it doesn't really change the texture of the slime, so we're not going to do that. Got it on the side of my bowl. It's definitely slime. It's just kind of sticky. Put my hands in activator. A very nice pink color. For some reason, whenever I touch kind of sticky slime, it doesn't stick to me. But when my mom touches it, it never comes off. I'm just exaggerating. It does come off, but only after a little while. But I guess I'm in need. Yeah, I definitely need more activator. Bam. Okay, so this is kind of sticky, but I'm just going to be continuing to knead until the slime comes off my hands. Got on my new shirt. Alright, I think I'm just going to add a little bit more activator. I think we're gonna wrap this up, and I'm going to wash my hands and add my jelly cubes. cut my sponges. Because this is a small amount of slime, I'm going to be making tiny cubes. This is oddly satisfying. You hear that? It sounds cool. Then I've got to cut this in half vertically. And be very careful with scissors because you might cut yourself. Uh-oh, fell off the table. Okay, cut. You know what, this is taking too long. I'm just gonna do double cuts. So do this one quickly. And then we'll join these two together. I love the sounds of this foam cutting. It's just so cool to me. Alright, so now I'm going to incorporate these foam cubes into my slime. But if you add too many cubes, you'll just have some like slimy jelly cubes, so don't add too much because then your slime will be a rock. This slime has an oddly satisfying crunching sound from the cubes, and it's very satisfying and stretchy. It has like a unique texture to it, like different from fluffy slime and different from jiggly slime. It's very cool. Crunchy, especially. If you leave your slime in a container overnight, some of the bubbles will go away, and the slime will get stickier in a good way. And like the jelly cubes will absorb the moisture, so it will have a kind of different texture and color because all the air bubbles go away. Now that the pink jelly cube slime is finished, I'm going to be moving on to the glow-in-the-dark blue jelly cube slime, but because we are going to be doing the exact same steps, I'm going to be doing this on time-lapse. Container for about 2 days, because then once the cubes soak up the slime, it's actually supposed to also make a like popping sound, which I'm really excited about because I like crunchy slime. And then we'll mix the two colors to make purple. So there, and then see you in 48 hours. Alright guys, it's been 2 days and look at the slime. The colors got so much brighter, like the blue and the pink, and a lot of the air bubbles got out. So now it's almost like an ombre fading into purple. Wait, so it's blue, purple, and then pink. So let's open this. You can see the cubes really well. So. Alright, let's try to like poke it. The texture changed a lot. You guys hear that popping noise? That is from the jelly cubes. Guys, this has to be one of the coolest slimes ever. It is so stretchy. I think the blue took over the pink a little bit. But that's fine because I like blue. Ready? I'm going to squish one of the jelly cubes. Oh, it kind of dissolved. And like the slime Wow, this feels awesome. And it's also glow in the dark because the blue glue is glow in the dark, so that's really cool. This is so satisfying, like so stretchy and clicky. Wow. Let's make a slime swirl. Some of the cubes are still pink from the pink slime, so that's really cool. Feels like they're like pom-poms or something in here, but they're jelly cubes. Alright guys, so I think we are done here, and before you go, I want to give a shout out to my friend Esme. And yeah, thanks for watching me make jelly cube slime for the first time. See ya!